channel, teaching learning materials are very helpful in all the subjects. So when you come to the maths, so to understand the concept in brief, especially for the primary and upper primary, these basic content, materials, TLMs are very helpful. So in this video, I want to show you one magnetic fraction disk. So you can see some content here to understand the fractions, because especially the fractions we need to compulsory we have to show or we have to explain using this with some model. So this is the magnetic disk. So with every disk we have the magnetic parts. So with the magnetics and types are there. So different types. The whole number is completely closed and this is the whole. So let us see one by one this what is in this content and how to use this model to explain the fractions. Let us see now. So it's a magnetic fraction disk. So this is the board now. This we can use for the base. So already we have seen already many models regarding the fractions, but in the specialties we have used the magnetic. That means just by showing them easily, just it's not attaching, so it's not move. And this complete circle is the whole, and to show the half of this. Okay, this is 1 by 2. Even in this project they mentioned the angles also. So half of the circle. So half of the circle is semicircle, angle of the semicircle is 180 degrees. So this is the half part. Just we can remove this 1 by 2. Just you put on the board and we can show. So this is because of magnetic, right? So it's a magnetic hole, and base also you can attach. So it will be not fall. Just 1 by 2. You can show all the difference. So up to we have 1/10 also. So this is the final one. This is a 1/10. So 1 by 1 piece. That means it's a 36 degrees. Total is 360. Divided by 10 is 36 degrees. So to show the difference between the angles of with the different fractions, we can use these models easily. It's a 1/9 and 1 even of 1/3 it is, right? This. So because of using the magnet, easily we can to show the children in A. And just if you remove it, easily you can remove this and all. So this part is 1/3 out of this. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So this is 2/3. We can show the difference of the fractions including the angle. Specialty of this models project is a 120 degrees. It's a 1/3 of the whole. Right? Okay, this is the project we can utilize for with the board, with the base board. So this is a magnetic fraction disk with the board.